everyone, we are at MAHAtech 2023 and we are at the stall of SCW Surface Coating Private Limited. We are having with us Mr. Rohan, Mr. Ramesh and Mr. Sourabh, who can give us insights about what they are demonstrating at this show, what innovation they have to represent the Make in India theme as they are making in India and proudly supporting Make in India campaign. So,
Great.
Mr. Rohan, please give us an insight about what you are demonstrating at this show.
So we are into manufacturers of powder coating plant, liquid painting plant and pre-treatment plants, and also we are providing the turnkey based solution for all over industries like furniture industry, fan industry, electrical, electronics, automotive and white goods also.
Okay.
So wherever coating is needed, we can have a solution which is turnkey based solution.
Okay. And which are the major focused industries you are catering to currently?
So right now we are focusing on automotive industry, fan industry. See right now, because you mentioned about the Make in India, so Make in India fan industry, ceiling fan industry is growing like anything. So many players are now into fan manufacturing, and for fan manufacturers we have a solution for liquid painting also and powder coating also.
Okay, great. And coming to Mr. Ramesh, sir, what are your thoughts on Make in India campaign?
मेक इन इंडिया कैंपेन ये इज बेसिकली आत्मनिर्भर भारत इज अ बेस ऑफ आत्मनिर्भर भारत एंड मेक इन इंडिया कैंपेन फॉर दैट वी आर डूइंग दिस since about 1999 I have started this organization and now it is growing very fast.
Great, sir. Congratulations on that. Mr. Sourabh, if you would like to add any, like, the technicalities of this machine, if you could tell us.
Yeah, basically we are representing here a prototype model of powder coating plant, which is having a conveyor speed of around 0.5 meter per minute, and the oven is working around 220 degrees Celsius. And all the currently whatever we're doing, we are giving it to every visitors.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much, everyone, for giving us your precious time, and thank you so much, everyone, for listening. Thank you.